Eeny, meeny, miny, your turn.
But we need to get this thing done and collect some drag car money. Bad boys can go up and down manually. Set both of them down. This one I couldn't get yesterday. She's in there.
Are you winking at me?
I'm your doctor. That's highly inappropriate.
Go.
But you want to stay there, you can stay. As soon as I started the car, this started to gradually go up. The harder I put my finger there, the easier it goes up. This one's definitely bad. We knew that this one worked, but for some reason it wasn't. The vacuum lines are clearly the issue, so we're gonna get the new ones put on. I don't know how fat guys do this. Oh, that's why Corvette. I think it's in. Oh yeah, it's in. I'm gonna replace 2, and then we're gonna start it up. Look at that. I mean, not as fast as I'd like it, but we still got some vacuum lines to replace.
So far so good. I got the headlight freed up. Now I'm just getting that canister out.
I really don't want to take this damn hood off. Because I don't really have any help to take the hood off right now. What am I gonna do? So I was like, well, if I shut the hood, skadoosh. Out with the old, in with the new. I've never done this shit before. Set the hood down. I guess you guys are just gonna have to take my word for it, because I can't really show you it. We're in the hole. This one was a little bit more tore up. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. The headlights are going up, they're not going down. You can clearly hear that there's a vacuum leak. I think that the previous owner ran the vacuum lines wrong. I think when they put the new carburetor on, they ran the vacuum lines wrong, and that's why it's not going down, but I'm over it for today. Left is we need to finish up this driver window, give it a deep, thorough clean, and we can send this thing off. We can collect some race car money, drop it in there, and get the race car engine in. Man, it feels like a forever project, but Team Z sent me something today. I'll have to show you guys tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching. Please come back tomorrow as we get this Corvette finished up. And yeah, woo, I'm over it.